In alignment with my work with the principal pipeline here at FSUSD for the year 2020/21, we're using self-reflection tool and goals that are based on the California Professional Standards for Educational Leaders. And we've come up with 3 goals that we are going to be working on, my principal and myself. And I would like to share goal 1 with you. Goal 1 is I'm going to use multiple measures of data and with focusing on equitable access, opportunities, and outcomes for all students, assist in facilitating the development and implementation of a shared student-centered vision for Anna-Kyle, while including all members of Anna-Kyle in the process and application of this vision. This goal is also aligned with the LCAP goals for the district. Goal 1, which is create safe, inclusive, and welcoming learning environments where students attend and are connected to their schools. And Goal 2, which engage parents, families, and community partners through education, communication, and collaboration to promote student success. The capsules that this is aligned with is Standard 1, which is the development and implementation of a shared vision, and Element 1A, which is a student-centered vision, Element 1B, which is a developed shared vision, and Element 1C, which is vision planning and implementation. The evidence that I'm going to use to collect to the document growth for Goal 1 will be to build and maintain positive relationships with teachers, staff, families, and students, developing, planning, supporting, and implementing the student-centered shared vision, and collaborating and guiding teachers in implementing the student-centered shared school vision. The data or the evidence that I will have to do this goal will be the way to measure. Basically, this goal is by including families, teachers, students, and staff in the process so that it is a student-centered shared vision, and the end product would be the written student-centered shared vision. The student-centered shared vision will be communicated to everyone, and they will embrace it. Evidence on building relationships will be monitored through classroom observations and evaluations by using constructive criticism and coaching strategies. I'm going to build and create a safe and welcoming environment for students and staff, and I will have frequent check-ins with the principal and my coach on this progress. The support that I'm going to need will be opportunities to have conversations with teachers, students, families, community members, and staff about the needs of all students. I'm going to need opportunities to interact and engage teachers, families, and students. I'm going to need frequent check-ins with the principal and my coach on this progress. And then I will also need honest and candid conversation, constructive criticism, and coaching conversations that will help me grow professionally as a leader.